Hello, this video was created by Prajakta Pradhan, Senior Information Developer at BMC Software, and narrated by a computer-generated voice. This video helps to understand what the document library in BMC Helix Business Workflows is, and how to manage the access and permissions for the documents in the library. The document library in BMC Helix Business Workflows is a centralized document repository where a document manager can add and manage files. A document manager can store multiple files in the library and restrict access to documents. In the document library, all documents are available in a single location and users need not maintain local copies of the documents. Moreover, the latest revision of the document is available for use for different cases and tasks, ensuring that users don't have to search through multiple versions. Different users can also use the same document. However, a document manager can restrict the use of a document by denying access to it. As a document manager, you can view all documents in the document library, and add new documents. However, you cannot add .exe files to the library. You get read access to all documents in the document library. You can provide write access for a document to a user group. You can also restrict the share access to a document. A document manager can provide write access for a document to a user group. If a user has the write access to a document, the user can provide read access of that document to other owner groups, and can also restrict the share access to the document. A user without a document manager role can still consume documents from a case or task. When a document manager adds a document to the document library, it is in draft status. A document can be edited only in the draft status. When a document manager publishes a document, it is in the published status. A published document can be used in cases and tasks. To view the document library in BMC Helix Business Workflows, from Settings, expand Document Management, and click Library. To add documents to the library, click Documents. To summarize, a document manager can add documents to the document library and manage the permissions of the document. The document manager can also provide access to edit or view the document. Only users with the view or write permission can view the document. However, users that consume the document in a case or task can view the document without having the document manager role. We hope that this video helped you understand what a document library is and how to manage the access and permissions to documents. Thank you for watching.